What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. I'm outside of the container conversion right now. Just went picked up a few things, working on some bids right now on getting someone to actually finish the inside for me. I'm just going to get everything together and have them install everything and do it, right. I still have a few things to do on the outside, like my awning. Some touch-up things, nothing major. My main goal is to go on and get the inside done. I wanted to give y'all a small update on it, just to show you pretty much a walk around. How it turned out. All gone. Still have a few things to do. Can't wait to put the deck up here. I'm gonna run boards all the way across to the tip of this and to the end of that. So it turned out real good though. I'm excited with it. I am. Still got a few more stages, but some good things about to start taking place. I'm just lining everything out. Like I said, still have a few little small things to do, but on the majority scale, it is up and ready to rock and roll. Yes. So like I still have a few small things, but on a majority scale, it's about to get ready to make some things happen. So about to get our hog on. Stay in tune. Like I say, I want y'all to really check out the way I line it out. And I also have a new design I've been working on for my mechanics. So to my mechanics has been looking at having them a nice little mechanic shop on a small scale. I figured out a way I can cut one of these 40-footers and put them side by side and make a big entrance, so you can have a big roll-up door to roll up something in, to roll a vehicle in and start working, and have a 20-foot shop. Now, if you want a 40-foot shop, you can do that, but 20-foot, I think, can be more affordable and cost-efficient for people trying to get some container conversions. So if you're looking to get some type of conversion, I think that this new 40 to 20-foot that I thought about, I think you're gonna really like it. So I'm waiting on to get someone to actually bite on it, but I do have a nice little setup design that I've been working on, so I'm gonna release that soon. So today I'm just actually getting a few things together. Probably had to go take